Hey caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. So if you're caring for a loved one with mild to moderate dementia, you may be asking yourself, what's the hardest time of day for my loved one? And we can tell you for many loved ones that suffer from dementia, mornings are often the hardest time of day. There is a little bit of disorientation, some confusion, and most of it stems from just waking up and starting the day and needing to reacclimate and reorient themselves to where they are. So they, in the beginning, may just be a little groggy and a little confused, and it may only take a minute or two to really bounce back and start their day. But as dementia progresses, you may notice your loved one will be very confused and they may find that upsetting. So, one of the things we did for Aunt Jerry is right across from her bed in her direct line of vision, we bought very big letters at the arts and crafts store and we put them on the wall and they say Jerry's room. Because we knew one of the questions that she was frequently asking was, where am I? Whose house is this? So when she wakes up, the first thing she sees is Jerry's room. And that can actually calm her down and that can take a little bit of the edge off of it. And usually we are there so that we can say to her, no, you're in your house. This is your room in your house. This is where you live. Look how beautiful it is. Here's pictures. And we can really distract her and move her attention on. And once she gets the answer, that's usually all it takes. And she immediately calms down. So make sure you are very matter of fact and that you don't overreact when they start to get confused or they start to get upset, and just be very reassuring. For more solutions and tips, check out the next video. Don't forget to join at homewithdementia.com, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.